Navigating new beginnings, understanding new on the job. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore a common English phrase, new on the job. Whether you're starting a new job or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's dive in and understand what it means to be new on the job. New on the job refers to someone who has recently started a new position or role in a workplace. This phrase is often used to describe employees who are still learning about their job responsibilities, the workplace culture, or their colleagues. It suggests a period of adjustment and acclimatization to the new environment. This section will explore different scenarios where the phrase, new on the job, can be applied. We'll look at examples in various workplaces, like offices, retail stores, and factories. Understanding the context helps grasp the nuances of the phrase and how it can be applied in real-life situations. Being new on the job can come with its set of challenges. In this section, we'll discuss common issues such as navigating new relationships, learning new skills, and adapting to company culture. We'll provide tips on how to overcome these challenges gracefully and efficiently. It's important to know how to support those who are new on the job. Here, we'll cover phrases and actions that can help make new colleagues feel welcomed and supported. We'll emphasize the role of teamwork and effective communication in helping new employees settle in. Thank you for joining me in today's video about understanding the phrase, new on the job. I hope this has been insightful and helps you in your English language journey, whether in a professional or casual setting. Remember, being new is a part of everyone's journey, and it's a great opportunity for growth and learning. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you soon.